How to use Amare products. In this video, I'm going to share with you how to use Amare's flagship and foundational products. So make sure you stay till the end because I have a special deal for you that you don't want to miss out on. And don't forget to subscribe so you never miss one of my videos. Hey there, my name is Martha Borrell, and if we're just meeting, I help busy moms build their businesses online using social media and digital strategies. For today, I want to talk about Amare's foundational products, the Fundamentals, Amare's Fundamentals pack. This is a supplement system that is actually nutrition for your three brains. It is designed to rebalance and restore your gut our gut-brain axis. So for those of you who don't know, you do have three brains and you do have an axis to take those good bacteria to get them communicating with your brain. And this all directly correlates with our mental health and our mental wellness, and actually our overall well-being. So here is the three brain system. Whoopsie. This is the MentaBiotics. This is the MentaSync. See if I can stack them. MentaFocus and MentaHeart. So those are all used best when they are used together to improve our health. So here is the deal. We have three brains. We have this brain, which is our analytical brain, our thinking brain. Then we have this heart brain. This is like our compassion and our feeling brain. And then we have the gut brain, which is more about our intuition and really following our gut when we make a decision. Have you ever had that feeling before? So the beauty of this is these three brains need to communicate with one another. And this is why the gut-brain axis communication is so important. So these products actually optimize the gut-brain communication. They can improve sleep. They can improve stress resilience, brain fog, reduce brain fog, improve focus, improve anxious feelings, or decrease anxious feelings. Yes, that's probably a better way to say it. So let's get started about how to use the fundamentals. So for optimal benefits, you probably want to do the Reboot. And I have a special offer for you at the end. This is a 3-day plant-based diet and also adding these supplements for the first 3 days. And then you start the fundamentals. So the first product in the fundamentals is actually the MentaBiotics. This is your probiotic, your prebiotic. It's really set up to improve your gut health, your overall gut health. And this is so important in today's world. If you don't know by now, your gut is directly correlates with your mood and how you feel. So this has a particular bitter taste, but there are ways around it. We're just so not used to bitter taste. You can put it in your shake, you can put it in water and wait a little while and it will actually sweeten up a little bit. And a lot of people will actually add a little lemon juice to the taste. So this is super important for your gut health. Probiotic Prebiotic, super important to consume every day. The second product is the MentaSync. Now, you take 2 of these along with the MentaBiotics, and these two are really, that product is really critical for communication between your gut and brain. It helps prime and educate your immune system. So basically what it does is optimize that gut-brain communication through the vagus nerve. So brain axis is so important because it transmits that communication that gets us feeling good, that gets us focused, that gets us motivated. Do you know what I'm talking about? And it's super important to get those healthy gut microbiome talking to your brain. Now, the third product is MentaFocus. You also take 2 of these with the Sink and with the MentaBiotics. This helps with cognitive skills, it helps with memory, it can optimize brain function, helps with stress resilience and stress reduction, it helps with concentration, it helps just feel better and feel more focused and more aware and more maybe organized. I don't know. For me, that's how I feel. So, and the last product is actually the MentaHeart. And so those three things are actually part of the Amare Fundamentals pack. And by adding the heart, it is called the Amare Fundamentals Plus pack. Now, this is important because it helps with your third brain. It helps improve your cardio efficiency. It helps to also improve stress resilience and helps reduce fatigue. And it really helps with emotional processing. So that is the three brain system. And obviously, it's most effective and most beneficial if used together as a system. You can get sugar-free, and we also have a fundamentals pack for kids. I don't know about you, but some kids have a hard time focusing in school or at home school or wherever, or maybe you feel like you can never get them to listen. This is a great product to help them stay focused and help them feel good during the day. So the benefits can be immediate or they can be phase benefits. I have experienced both. I experienced benefits pretty quickly, and then 30 days, I definitely was experiencing the phase benefits. And what that is actually a compounding benefit that is happening. So it's not a quick fix. You have to give it 30 to 60 to 90 days to really see the effects and benefits of these products. So super, super important to give it that time. You know, it hasn't taken you overnight to feel like you need these products. So super important to give it that fair amount of time to decide whether or not it's working for you. For me, the benefits were very phased and maybe took a little longer to notice some things. But as I'm noticing, I'm getting better sleep. I'm getting better energy, or I'm having better energy. I'm definitely focused better. I feel more passionate and more intuitive. I know that sounds crazy, but it's so true. And it really has lifted my mood, and I feel more joy. So really, it's super important to give it that fair amount of time to see those benefits. So most importantly, I want to talk about what other people are saying. I love the products I'm taking, and I can feel a big difference in my all-around health. My emotions are in check, and I have a better outlook on my day. This product was a godsend. I've dealt with debilitating feelings of anxiousness and the occasional bouts of moodiness all my life. By the end of the first month, these products, I was completely like a different person. And after taking them, I never felt that daily pressure on my chest and uneasy feeling in my gut actually disappeared. So Amare literally changed my life. I am now able to appreciate and enjoy my life. I am extremely grateful for the system, which has truly been the missing piece in health and wellness. And I think more clearly. My brain fog is gone. This is not a one and done package. I am taking these for the rest of my life. So that is our three brain system. Again, MentaBiotics, MentaSync, MentaFocus, and MentaHeart. And as promised, I have a link to share with you so that you can get your Reboot for free and you can get your products at wholesale cost. So check in the description below to find the link. And I want to ask you one last question. Did you know that you have three brains? Let me know in the comments below. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you never miss a video.